Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Rekti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you about fractions of chapter 2. Some define first fraction. First term is fraction. Fractions. The numbers of the form a by b. The numbers of the form a by b, where a and b are natural numbers, are called fractions. The numbers of the form a by b, where a and b are natural numbers, are called fractions. Numbers of the form a by b. A and B are natural numbers. Example of some fractions: 2 by 5, 5 by 3, 7 by 8, 9 by 4, etc. Second term is decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. A fraction whose denominator is any of the number. A fraction whose denominator is any of the number 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. is called a decimal fraction. Example of decimal fraction is, suppose 2 by 10 equal to 0.2. Next, 25 by 100 equal to 0.25, etc. These are the example of decimal fractions. Third, vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction. A fraction whose denominator is a natural number. A fraction whose denominator is a natural number other than 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. is called a vulgar fraction. Example: 3 by 5, 2 by 7, 9 by 5, etc. etc. Next, proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than denominator. A fraction whose numerator is less than denominator is called a proper fraction. Example: 3 by 7, 4 by 9, 7 by 10, etc. Next is improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than equal to. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called improper fraction. Example: 4 by 3, 7 by 5, 10 by 7, 6 by 6, etc. Next, mixed fraction. A combination of a natural number and a proper fraction. A combination of a natural number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. Such that 2 whole 3 by 5. That means 2 5 are 10 plus 3 13. 13 by 5. 13 by 5 is an improper fraction. Improper fraction change into mixed fraction, and mixed fraction change into improper fraction. Second, 5 whole 1 by 3. So 5 3s are 15 plus 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. 16 by 3 etc. Next, Like fraction. Like fractions. Fractions having the same denominator but different numerator. Fractions having the same denominator but different numerator are called like fractions. Example: 2 by 7, 4 by 7, 3 by 7, 6 by 7, 5 by 7, 10 by 7, etc. All fractions having same denominator is 7. Unlike fractions having the different denominators, are called unlike fractions. 4 by 7, 3 by 5, 7 by 8, 4 by 9, 5 by 6, etc. Students, understand and write it. Students, now I shall solve some examples of exercise 2A. One question is written here. Example 6. Example 6. Arrange the fractions 2 by 5, 3 by 10, 9 by 14, 16 by 35 in ascending order. First of all, we have to find LCM of 5, 10, 14 and 15. So, LCM of 5, 10, 14, 5, 10, 14 and 35. LCM of 5, 10, 14 and 35 equal to 70. Change all fractions the same into the same denominator. So 2 by 5. First fraction is 2 by 5. 5 change into 70. So 14 5 ja. 14 5 ja 70. So 2 into 14 equal to 28 by 70. Next fraction is 3 by 10. So 10 change into 70. So 10 into 7. So 3 into 7. 21 by 70. Third fraction is 9 by 14. 14 change into 70. So multiplies 5. So 9 multiply 5 also. 9 5 is 45 by 70. Next fraction is 16. 16 by 35. So 35 multiply by 2. 16 multiply by 2 also. 32 by 70. Now clearly a smallest numerator 21. So 21 by 70. Next 28 by 70. Next 32 by 70. Next 45 by 70. That implies 21 by 70. 21 upon 70 equal to 3 by 10 in ascending order. 3 by 10 and 28 by 70, that means 2 by 5. 32 by 70. 32 by 70, that means 16 by 35. And last 45 by 70 means 9 by 40. It is in ascending order. So answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next examples of example 10. Simplify 5 by 9 minus 7 by 12 plus 1 by 2. Solve it. First of all, find LCM of 9, 12 and 2. So LCM of 9, 12 and 2 is 36. 36. 9 for the 36. So 5 for the 20. Minus 12 3 the 12 3 the 36. So 7 3 the 21. Plus 18 to the 36. So 1 18 1 the 18. Next step is 20 and 18 is add. So 20 plus 18, 38 minus 21 by 36. Now subtract that. 8 minus 1, 7 and 3 minus 2, 1. 17 by 36. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 14. Example 14. What should be added to 15 whole 2 by 3 to get 18 whole 5 by 6? So let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. According to question, 15 whole 2 by 3 plus x equal to get 18 whole 5 by 6. That implies x equal to 18 whole 5 by 6 minus 15 whole 2 by 3 by transposition change into minus 15 whole 2 by 3. That implies x equal to 18 6 108 plus 5 113 by 6 minus 15 3 45 247 by 3. X equal to LCM is 6. 6 and 3. LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. So 113 minus 3 2 the 6. So 47 2 the 7 2 the 14. Or 4 carry 1. 4 2 the 8 plus 1 9 equal to 113 minus 19 4 94. 13 minus 4 9 and 10 minus 9 1. 19 by 6 equal to 6 3 the 18 3 whole 1 by 6. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Today your homework is remember, define and solve examples of exercise 2A. Thank you. That's all.